The vegetables grown in these factories never see the sun or soil throughout their entire growth process. Today, let's take a look at how this is achieved. First, workers place these foam molds with holes into water, allowing the molds to absorb moisture through compression. This prepares them for the next step in planting. This time, they are cultivating lettuce. The workers pour lettuce seeds onto a transparent tray and shake it left and right, letting the seeds roll into the small holes on the tray. Then, they place the tray onto the water-filled foam molds. By opening the bottom flap of the transparent tray, the seeds fall directly into the foam molds. After checking, the molds are placed into a light-blocking germination cabinet within just one night. The molds are then moved to a growing room for light exposure. Once the seedlings grow to about 2 centimeters, workers transplant them into molds with larger gaps. The foam molds act like soil, holding the seedlings' roots and maintaining moisture. The lettuce seedlings are transferred to a nursery room and placed on a growing rack. They are exposed to light for about 16 to 18 hours a day, with temperatures controlled between 18 to 26. The light duration is adjusted to 6 to 8 hours, and the temperature is controlled between 1 to 15. The seedlings grow in hydroponic nutrient solution for about a week, and are then transplanted into molds with even larger gaps. At this stage, the seedlings have developed strong roots and sturdier stems and leaves. They are placed in a nutrient solution that promotes branch and leaf growth for continued cultivation. The light exposure is reduced to about 12 to 16 hours per day, and in roughly 2 weeks, a mature lettuce is ready. Vegetables grown through hydroponics have a shorter growing cycle compared to traditional soil planting. They can be cultivated year-round. Do you like eating such vegetables?